To encourage adoption, blockchain projects use airdrops as a way to offer free crypto tokens to their communities. Hi guys, crypto investing here. Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's begin. What are crypto airdrops? Crypto airdrops are essentially giveaways and promotions offered in digital form. Crypto airdrops are sent to the digital wallets of people en masse. To further clear the mist, users who connect with new and current cryptocurrency platforms on a regular basis are likely to receive an airdrop at some point. As part of a larger marketing campaign, blockchain-based developers and organizations distribute free tokens to members of their communities en masse. The fundamental concept with newer projects is to offer tokens in the hopes that you, and others, become more interested in the related project. How you can qualify to receive airdrops will depend on the crypto project in question. How do free crypto airdrops work? As we mentioned, airdrops are free releases of tokens or NFTs to crypto's users. They're a great way to get people's attention and involve them in a project. Now that you know the basics, let's take a look at how free crypto airdrops work. Airdrops might allow you to earn free Bitcoin, albeit they are usually up-and-coming projects. This can provide you with a way to make money with cryptocurrency because in most cases, you can sell your free tokens. Some projects offer free crypto airdrops to people who partake in various tasks such as retweeting, joining specific Telegram groups, and answering questionnaires. Others give airdrops to those adding to the liquidity of a network, or people who refer a friend to the platform. Before you can access free crypto airdrops, be aware that you need to have a crypto wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. This is because no matter which projects in this list you think are offering the best crypto airdrops, you will need to connect your wallet to the platform in question to receive them. How to get crypto airdrops? For this step-by-step walkthrough, we are going to show you how to create an account at Lucky Block, which is also shaping up to be one of the best altcoins for growth potential. The project offers block holders 10% dividends for taking part in a daily charity vote. Best of all, Lucky Block has created 10,000 NFTs, and owners of these and the block token are entered into a daily giveaway draw. This gives NFT and block holders opportunities to win a prize each day. Step 1. Set up a crypto wallet and make a deposit. To start things off, you will need to set up a crypto wallet. Lucky Block is compatible with Trust Wallet and MetaMask. MetaMask is a popular option, as you can either opt for the desktop platform or the cell phone app. You will also be able to buy Lucky Block NFTs when using this wallet option. Lucky Block runs on the Binance Smart Chain, so you'll need to add some BNB tokens to your wallet. This can be achieved by either transferring some BNB tokens you already hold or buying them at a reputable exchange. This is so that you can make a swap for block tokens to buy tickets for future giveaway draws and receive airdrops. Step 2. Connect your crypto wallet to Pancake Swap. The next stage is to connect your crypto wallet to Pancake Swap. This is easy, just select dApps and look for Connect Wallet. Go to the official Lucky Block website and find the contract address, which is a series of numbers and letters. PancakeSwap will ask you for this address to swap BNB for a block. Step 3. Buy Lucky Block tokens. To buy Lucky Block tokens, enter the amount of BNB you wish to exchange. At this point, you should find the block in your crypto wallet. If this doesn't happen automatically, you can add them manually using the contract address. Once you own the block tokens, you can buy crypto game tickets. You can also register for crypto airdrops as and when they arise. What are the best crypto airdrops? The best crypto airdrops include Lucky Block, Pulse Chain, Basic Attention Token, DeFi Chain, and DO Labs. Others include Tidex, Binance, RawDAO, Stormgain, and MetaMask. The latter is unconfirmed but highly anticipated. That's it for today's video. In the next video, we will explore what are the best crypto airdrops. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you next time.